If you've ever left your car, trailer, or camper parked somewhere overnight, you've probably had that thought, is it safe out here? That's exactly what this Universal Wheel Lock by Turnart is made for. I want to thank them for sending it to me to check out. This one fits a wide variety of vehicles, cars, SUVs, campers, even some boat trailers. The arms adjust to grip tightly around the tire, so as long as your tire is within a normal range, it should fit. I have some pretty beefy tires on my 4Runner and it fits snugly. Installation is simple. You just slide it over your tire, use the included crank to tighten it down, and then lock it up with the included keys. It takes maybe 30 seconds once you've done it once or twice. And that bright yellow color isn't just for looks, it's your first layer of security. This thing is highly visible even at night. Most thieves don't want to mess with anything that's going to take too long or make too much noise. This kind of stands out like a sore thumb even at nighttime on your vehicle. It basically screams, don't mess with me. I'm going to take too much time. Most thieves won't even mess with a car that clearly has a wheel lock on it. The lock itself uses a dual lock design with a metal core. It's built to resist drilling, prying, cutting, even freezing, which makes it a lot tougher to defeat compared to lightweight versions. Another thing people ask is whether it'll scratch or damage the wheel, and the inside arms are coated with a soft PVC material, and so is this area around here, around the hub, so it grips securely without scuffing any part of the wheel. Now it comes with 3 keys and a crank that's very unique. I'm not sure if they're universal to all wheel locks or not, but if they were, it might be worth the investment just to have the keys and the crank so that you could get one of these off your car if it was ever put on there by someone else. Again, I'm not sure if it works that way or not, but I'm going to carry them around in my car anyway. But it's nice to have extra keys just in case you misplace one. Now, what I like most about it is you can easily move it between vehicles. I can put it on my SUV one day and my trailer the next. It's just easy to take off and reinstall on another vehicle. So if you're looking for a really good theft deterrent that is easy to use, won't scratch up your wheels, and will give you real peace of mind when your vehicle's parked somewhere sketchy overnight, this Universal Wheel Lock by Turnart is a really good one to consider. If you're looking for a way to boot your own vehicle or trailer, or maybe you just want the tools, I'll link that below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.